Okay guys, here she is. Cold start, just backed it out. She's idled up a little right now. She'll idle down once she gets warm. Yeah. A lot quieter. Got a hood knock. I don't have the pins in it. Y'all stand by, I'll raise the hood. In typical substandard fashion, forgot to put a plug wire back on. I'll go ahead and shut it off, put that back on, and we'll fire it back up. Y'all stand by. Okay. Not only did we have one plug off, we had two. Number 6 and number 8, the plugs wasn't even, the plug wire wasn't even on. So it's running on 6 cylinders. Right now we're firing on all of them. Sounds a lot better. Like I said, Flow Masters, we're not gonna let it run long. I don't have no turn downs on it. Got to make that call when I finish this video. But nothing like small block Ford. That's how she's rolling. Windows are down, boys. One of them. Door panel. Inside. I don't know if you can see it or not. About 50 pounds of oil pressure. Cheapest tack I could find, auto gauge, while my other one's getting repaired, idling about 1100. There's all the substandard wiring. Everything on it's substandard, guys. But if it wasn't for Tussin, 5.0 Tussin, this car would have probably been crushed. And because of Rodney and him taking his time doing a video here and there of what he's doing and his buddies over there, this car survived. I don't ever plan on letting it go. Right now it's got a motor that I had in it. We're gonna have some fun with it, see what it morphs into. Who knows, this thing might have a 5th gen Coyote at some point in time. Probably not in my lifetime, but who knows. Right now you can see it's got a Barry Grant 750 Demon, carburetor alley, old Jerry Bickle up there. Old car sounding good. It's ready to go. We'll get some turn downs on it, get a license plate and a little insurance. We're Texas road ready. I appreciate you guys for watching my channel. This is 1981 Mustang Project Froghorn Leghorn. Y'all have a great blessed day.